I'm using Blender to show you the anatomy of a sponge. Here inside this sponge, well, this is supposed to represent a sponge, okay? It doesn't look like a sponge, but it is a sponge. Um, this right here is supposed to be the spongocoel. This green thing in specific, and this layer of sponge is called the choanoderm. Yeah, the open space inside the choanoderm is called the spongocoel, and the green part is called the choanoderm, and the yellowish part is the mesohyl, and the outer part is the pinacoderm, which is the epidermis of the sponge. Oh. Derm, and it's one word. This right here, my friends, is called the yellow part. Is called the mesohyl, and it's one word.
And we'll talk also about
And this right here, my friends, is called
amoebocytes. Did I spell that right? I don't know. Yes, I did. Amoebocytes.
Okay, so amoebocytes will lie in. So amoebocytes are like this. They're like this little plastic thing. Or hold on. Amoebocytes are like this blob of a blob of pudding. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a blob of pudding. um, and let's see, amoebocytes. These cells can transport nutrients to other cells of the sponge body, produce materials for skeletal fibers, or become any type of sponge cell as needed. Okay. And I think the amoebocytes have like a little nucleus, but I don't really know. I think they do have like a little nucleus. I'm gonna draw a little nucleus on the amoebocyte. Draw a little nucleus. Little nucleus. See that? A little nucleus on the amoebocyte. Okay, so this is an amoebocyte. And then now I'm gonna get purple. Or how about lavender? And then now I'm gonna draw in the choanocyte. So okay. So a choanocyte is like a ball with a little skirt. And it has a little tail called the flagellum. It helps it to propel. And then the little skirt is made up of mucus. So this skirt is made up of mucus, this little skirt. And this right here, my friends, is the choanocyte. So I'm going to color this in. Color, 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 color the choanocyte. Color the choanocyte. Da, 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 da. So yes, this is the flagellum connected to the choanocyte. And this is the little skirt of mucus. The little skirt. I guess I could add this to it, but it's mainly horizontal lines, not vertical lines. So that this is like a choanocyte right there. And so yeah, that these little things make up the choanoderm. Maybe make a darker purple. These little choanocytes are in the choanoderm, which make up that layer. And in the mesohyl, you have specules or skeletal fibers. So you have little specules. I'll make them pink. There's little specules. They look like little stars. They look like little pricks. Prickly stars inside the mesohyl, which are the specules. And also we have amoebocytes, these things right here, these things right here, inside the mesohyl. We have amoebocytes. And let's see. And I forgot to mention that in the pinacoderm, the epidermis of the sponge, there are little pores. There's little holes for water to penetrate